And so I'm gonna teach you how to optimize this kind of from the highest, the worst doing things, kind of to the lowest. Not saying that the website schedule is really bad. Right now you're at $20 per website schedule. We can probably get that down to around excuse me, $10. So let's head over to ad sets for campaign one. Oh, the next one, the middle one, ad sets, yep. As campaigns, ad sets, then ads is what it's called. I'll click that, yep. Click it. Actually, seconds. Yeah, so you go back here. Or should I get the right one? All right, cool. Then I go over here. So right now we're getting this at 5. Oh, this one's doing pretty well. This one over here, what's the difference between this one and this one? Is there anything different in the copy?
Nope.
Yeah, it's about the same, right? If you scroll always to the right, let's look at the click-through rate. Performance of clicks. Let's go to the right. Click-through rate, this one, I should run both the same for some reason. This one's just converting better. This one's a 3.48. I mean, how much money did this one send out already? The top one, how much money did I spend already? And $28. Yeah, so what I would do is, just look at this one for $28 already hasn't got a single one. So let's turn this one off. This one's at 19. Let's turn off this one with the one website schedule. And duplicate this one. Duplicate. Actually, fine, no worries. Let's duplicate this one another time. And one of them, let's change the picture.
In this, duplicate this one.
Yeah, duplicate that one, yep. Duplicate, yep. All right, so now let's change the picture. Do you have any more pictures we can use?
Yeah, for
Go
sure.
down
We
here.
have like the same one, but it's different. Like he's not smiling that much. This one.
I don't think it makes too much of a difference. Just try it. Yeah, click it. And do you have any more pictures than just that?
Now, at the moment, we do have that too.
Because that's really not much of a difference, to be honest.
Yeah. Or we can try a video. I don't know.
No, I mean, that's fine. Just leave it like that. See if that makes any difference. I'll press publish to those both. And we should be good here. Let's see if that makes a difference. Who knows? All right,
Okay.
go X on that. Yep. Let's try this one. Let's call. Click this. Click it on this one and publish it, or press review and publish. Whatever. Let's publish over here. I'm going to click over here first. Click out and go back. Exit out real quick. And close. Let's review and publish. I review and publish. Okay, no worries. Still publish it. Yeah, still publish. Cool.
There you go.
And close out. Then I have to go to campaigns. Or to ad sets real quick. Let's try another one. So let's take this and let's duplicate it. Quick.
Like that?
Yep. And it's to like, let's like go down to the interests. And let's do, no, that's the audience. Go down more. No, that's the audience. It's not that side. Go down more.
Oh,
Let's
this
start,
one.
Yeah, so credit finance, click it. Close it, yep. Let's do Credit Karma. And press publish. Oh, you gotta go to the top and you gotta change it. Just go to the top and change this name to Credit Karma. Vincent. Alright, so cool. Now let's go over to is the out of it. Cool. I would just turn off. That's fine. I would turn off one that's copied. So maybe like you turn off that one. Cool. How much of a difference? I just want to run too much money. Go over here. And there. Let's go to Messenger. So deselect that. Yep. Go back quick. Hmm. Let's check out. I mean, these are pretty good. Click on that one. Yep. Go back again. Actually, this is the Messenger campaign, right? So honestly, this one's I haven't really spent enough money here.
Mhm.
35. Click on Credit Karma here. I'll duplicate this one. And what I would do, bro, is what I would do is I would label these by what's called. So actually put one of mine so I can show you. Let me share my screen real quick so I can show what I mean by this. See my screen?
Yep.
See over here, it's pick, or I call it pick pointing, or for this green one, pick one, pick the headline one, copy one. And what I do, bro, is I go to my credit repel attack and see is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick one, headline one, or pick one, H.
Oh yeah. Well, let me change it.
Pick,
So this will
pick
be
one, yeah, pick
pick
one,
one.
H. You know what I mean, though?
Yep.
Even descriptions, description 1, 2, 3, whatever. It just helps me keep everything organized so I can look through everything really, really quick.
Done.
I'll show you your screen again. Yes, when you get a chance, just do that to all of them.
Mhm.
It'll save you a lot more time in the long run. So no, do it at the end of this. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it now. I'll also make sure we got everything good. Go back to ad sets real quick. Someone hasn't spent enough money. Yes. I think that's about it. Go to campaigns. Yes, that's kind of about it. What I would do though is Messenger. Oh my God, I would raise it to maybe $60 a day.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna tell Jason. Let me see if he can get in the meeting. Another question about something about high level. Is there like any way, because we're getting the notifications with some delay? I talked with Jason, I told him like probably it's go high level because we're getting like a good amount of leads. I don't know if there's something that we can do to fix that, like the delay on the notifications for the leads, or there's nothing to do, like we just need to wait.
Wait, so what do you mean? Like when the leads are coming into Facebook Messenger, you get a delay from when you get notified?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so they change it from a notification to a SMS. That'll go out instantly.
Okay, SMS. All right.
You know how to do that, right? You know how to do that.
Yeah, I know. So
And
yeah, but it's normal that the notification takes a couple more time, right? Because
yeah,
I have noticed
notifications.
that.
Yeah, generally notifications take more time than SMS,
Okay,
correct?
SMS is like right away, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. Yep.
Okay, yeah, I'll let him know. And that's it. I just asked him if he can get in the meeting real quick to talk about like raising the price, but I don't think he will be able. So probably he will message you when he's like not busy
Okay,
about like.
click cold real quick again.
Mhm.
So one thing, and the ad sets. Ad sets. Yeah, this one's doing pretty well. I mean, this is gonna go down. This one just hasn't spent any money enough yet.
Yeah.
We haven't started, we
One
just started
question:
on.
where we can like change that, like here in campaigns, the budget. Oh yeah, here. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. The messenger is the one you want to increase now.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
have-
Jason is
you-
getting in the meeting now. Let me see the links in case. There you go.
Hey guys.
Hey, Jason.
Jason.
Hey, sorry about that. I'm over here trying to be quiet. He's sleeping.
No worries, no worries. So we went over this. I can send you the video of what we have.
Okay.